Year 6 Numeracy Lessons. Welcome back, Year 6, Lesson 27. All I can say first off is apologies. The page is slightly small. I've had an issue with the app that I use. I'll get it sorted for Lesson 28, okay? So apologies that the writing looks a little bit small probably on your screen. Right, what I want you to do is some word problems involving money. Okay, so A and B, relatively straightforward, I think. C, make sure you have a look at your prices for the question which are there. And then D, I've said try and do in your head. You probably won't be able to do everything in your head, but for the multiplication bits that you can, have the confidence to do it in your head, because you can always check it afterwards using your pen and paper. Okay, so like I said, apologies. I've got to make it small so everything fits in. Oh, there you go. If I make it a tiny bit bigger. There you go. All right, so you've got A to E. Take your time, pause the screen now, and press play when you want to go through the answers. Okay, good luck. Okay, great stuff. So, first one says John saves £15 a week, 7 weeks. Billy saves £12 a week for 5 weeks. Who saves the most? Quite an easy one to start, okay? So, John would save 15 times 7. So, 7 5s are 35. 7 times 1 is 7. So, John saves £105. And Billy saves 12 times 5. Well, I can do that in my head. 12 5s is 60. So, who saves the most? John by £45. Oh, don't know why I put the pound sign for John. Okay, next one, Jane and Jill, or Jilly. Same principle, okay? So I would need to do £6.50 times 8. 8 times nothing is nothing. That would be 40. 8 times 6 is 48. Add the 4 is 52. Okay, so Jane saves £52. Jilly would save 7 times 7, £49. So who saves the most? Jane by £3. Okay, now for C, you have £2,000 to spend on Amazon. You buy 3 iPads and 4 pairs of AirPods. How much money do you have left? So first off, you need to work out how much you've spent. So you've bought 3 iPads. So you should have done 395 multiplied by 3, which is £1,185. And you should have done 130, the price of the AirPods, multiplied by 4, which gives you £520. Okay, so if I add those together to work out how much I've spent, I have spent £1,705. And the change is obviously the difference between that amount of money that I've spent and how much I had to start with. So I've got £295 left, or you have, I should say. So you could buy something else nice with that, couldn't you? Okay, so for the last one now, sweet shop. I've said try and do it in your head. You wouldn't have been able to do it all, but hopefully you did some of it. Okay, so Thor bought 31 cola bottles. He bought 13 flying saucers and he bought 21 laces. So the first thing I need to work out is how much did he spend altogether. So I needed to do 31 times 5, 13 times 6, and 21 times 8 to get how much I've spent on each of the sweets. So Thor spent £1.55 on that. On the flying saucers, he spent 78p. And he spent on the strawberry laces £1.68. And if I add those together now to see how much he spent 21, 12, 20. He spent £4 and a penny. So how much change from a £5 note? You got 99 pence change. Now, on to the last one. So how many flying saucers can you buy with a £2 coin? Well, the way I did it, I said to myself, well, do a little table to help me. On this side I'll have my flying saucers, and on this side I'll have how much they cost. So let's just go for 10. How much do 10 flying saucers cost? 10 times 6, 60p. Okay, if I double that 10 now to get 20, I need to double 60p, so I'm at £1.20. Now if I was to double 20 and get 40 flying saucers, I need to double my answer. £2.40 is too many, isn't it? Can't be the right answer. But I know it's somewhere between this 20 and 40. So let's say 30 then. So I need to add together 10 and 20 flying saucers, which would give me £1.80 for the cost. So I'm nearly there now, aren't I? So all I need to do now, I know that 30 equal £1.80. So 31 would equal £1.86 because I've added on 6p and one saucer. Add on one more saucer, I'm up to £1.92. Nearly there. Add on one more saucer, I'm up to £1.98. And there I have to stop because I can't go over that £2. So how many flying saucers could you buy? 33. So I'll make it a bit bigger even so you can see everything. Like I said, I'm really sorry that the page is a little bit small today. I'll sort that out for tomorrow. Okay, so well done for doing those, and I look forward to seeing you then. Have a great day. Well done, superstar. You just got better. Nice one.